if you have an USB flash drive that doesn't fit the USB port on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, in order to solve this issue, you might need to use some sort of adapter. So in my case, I have this USB flash drive that is actually USB type A, so obviously it won't fit the USB port. Therefore, I can use this simple adapter that converts USB-C into USB type A. And this is how I can connect the flash drive into the S25 Ultra. Now, in your case, if you, for instance, do have USB-C flash drive and it still doesn't work for you, you cannot fit it, then you might still need to use some sort of a hub that allows you to plug it into the S25 Ultra, and then you plug the flash drive to that hub first. And that's pretty much it. Now, later on, if you actually manage to connect the flash drive, what you can do is go to the My Files app, and here you should be able to find the storage that you have connected to your S25 Ultra. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.